Where am I, dude? Hello.
Hello.
What is this? Is this a dog cafe?
Yes.
Can I eat food?
No. Laundry.
Oh, do you have beer? Yes.
Yes.
Can I drink beer?
1,100.
100, okay. Oh, jeez. Oh, sorry. So you just sit with the dogs and pet the dogs?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, you can take photo with dogs too.
Oh, okay,
With dogs
cool.
too.
Oh, he's trying to. Oh, he's biting my cables, dude. No, stop! Don't do that. What are you eating? You're eating my pants, dude. Oh, look at you. Oh, you're so cute. These things are so cute.
If you go to the next floor, you get to eat the dogs.
Oh, he's biting my cables again. Stop! Stop eating my stuff. Stop! If the stream disconnects, it's the dog's fault. Let's see what this one translates to. Born on March 4th, it's a small shame. Golly +5, please speak gently, watermelon. What? Watermelon? Homo among other Titus. Homo? What do you, the translation's useless.
So many people put comments on that.
Yes, back at home, I'm on the same level as Tom Hanks.
Tom Hanks?
Yeah. I will be back when I drink beer.
Oh, good.
I will be back.
I'm waiting here.
I will touch the dogs when I'm drunk and pet them. I feel like every floor has some crazy, weird stuff to do. Do you know where the used panties vending machine is? The used underwear.
Like, pants? Gacha gacha no.
Oh, you guys have it here? I don't look like a freak asking for panties to women? It's normal? What do you,
Normal to buy and sell it.
how is that normal at all?
It's part of life.
What are you saying?
Go and change it.
Is this panties? Sexy lingerie.
I'm gonna get you the panda egg.
This is not what I would call sexy. This is like not sexy at all. This is a thong, but it's so ugly.
You want to give this to your girlfriend?
Yes. This is the ugliest thing I've ever seen in my life. What is this? Okay, the egg. It's just brand new underwear, chat. Doesn't smell like anything. Do you like these? You can have them. Huh? Sorry, I don't want them. I was trying to see what they were. You don't want them? Yes. Yes. Yes, arigato. Yes. Of course, thank you.